The GE Appliances Shabbos Keeper for ovens is the most advanced Shabbos keeping device in the appliance industry. Developed together with Zman Technologies, this breakthrough device makes your oven completely kosher for use during Shabbos and holidays, while also syncing automatically with the Jewish calendar. The Shabbos Keeper automatically switches your oven into Shabbos mode at the appropriate time and starts warming at 18 minutes before sunset. Using our 100% kosher certified enhanced Shabbos mode technology, oven flames and heating elements are completely automated, while lights, sensors, alerts, buttons, and other electronic features are completely disabled. And unlike other manufacturers, our enhanced Shabbos mode allows your oven door to be opened and closed as many times as needed throughout the entire Shabbos or Yom Tov period. The Shabbos Keeper is also designed with an automatic holiday mode. On holidays, 4 hours before each mealtime, the oven temperature will increase to 350 degrees so you can cook or bake as necessary. After 4 hours, it will return to the warm setting for the rest of the day, so your kitchen does not overheat and no energy is wasted. Once Shabbos or the holiday is over, the oven will resume normal operation. Designed with rabbinical supervision, Shabbos Keeper is lab tested for highest level Shabbos compliance and has earned certification from the OU, the CRC, and Rabbi Zvi Ortner. The Shabbos Keeper is easy to install, plus it's compatible with GE appliances and GE profile ovens with more compatibility on the way. The Orthodox Union stated, "Many attempts have been made to develop the perfect solution for using appliances on Sabbath. GE Appliances is the first to produce real results." Get your Shabbos Keeper today at ZmanTechnologies.com. and subscribe to the GE Appliances YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.